In this video from Sharp Help, we're going to demonstrate how to export your sales data to an SD card. This video presumes that you have a SD card loaded, that it's been formatted, and has also had the necessary folders created on it, which we've demonstrated in previous videos. Okay, to back up your sales data, you press Mode, and then arrow down to line 7 SD card mode, total to enter it, and then we have option 1 saving. We then have save and then sales data. Total to OK it. This will back up all the sales data currently on the till to the SD card. You may prefer to make this automated, so it's possible, which we demonstrate in another video which will probably be popping up very shortly on screen, how to automate your till so that every time you run your end of day report, the report is also backed up to the SD card. This makes your reporting or interpreting your reporting on the computer much more systematic because it's got it all listed out in order. For more information on using the Sharp XE-A217 and other Sharp cash registers, please visit sharphelp.co.uk. Thanks for watching.